Hey guys, it's Kenny again. I just wanted to do an updated stripper heels, exotic heels collection. So from the last video, I definitely got a few new pairs that I'm pretty excited about. So I'm gonna go through each one and talk about them, give you the specifics. If you want to buy a pair of heels, use my discount code Kenny10 at heelbangers.com so you can join the club of heels like me. So many heels, All right, so I'm probably not gonna know the names of any of these heels, so I'm going to find them and then list them down below. But here I have ankle boots. It's 8 inches, they're brand new. I haven't even worn them yet. I didn't even try them on, as you can see, because they're not even laced up at all. So 8 inches with the platform. I'm not necessarily a boot person, but I saw them, never know when you're gonna need a certain color or something. Well, blue is my favorite color, but I just decided to get it just because you just never know. So this is why I have this boot. Until I need it, I'm just going to keep it on the back burner. Or if I could find an outfit that matches it, then I'll use it. Okay, next we have this heel. It's very cute. It has a little sparkly detail at the top, and you can tie it, and it connects at the heel. I love it with the little platform. I believe these are 7 inches. They're definitely not 8. Has to be around 7. And I love how it just cuffs at the ankle. And if you didn't know, I like sparkly stuff, so sparkle me, please. Thank you. Here is my updated chrome heel. If you saw my last one, my last chrome heel, they were teal. They were definitely beat up. These are very new, no scuff marks. As you can see, very shiny. These are also 8 inches because 8 inches, nothing more, nothing less. Well, maybe more, but nothing really less, even though I just showed another pair that's less. But I love these, they're so shiny. And I decided to get a hot pink just because I have a lot of outfits that are pink, easy to match, nice and cute, easy to glide on the floor. I love wearing these type of sandals with the ankle straps. These are my go-tos. Well, this style is my go-to, basically. Next, we have this sandal. As you can see, there's no ankle strap, so it's just a slip-on. I love it. I love the top. It's very jelly-like. These are also 8 inches. I love these shoes. I love the fact that you can slip them on, slip them off. The only thing about these shoes is when you dance in the air, you gotta be careful that they don't fly off your feet because I danced in it one time and I did a trick and I knew that if I did a certain trick that the heel would come off, and guess what, it came off. But other than that, dancing around on the floor, walking around, looking cute, these are definitely perfect. Also in the pink colored family. I'm not really good with my colors, guys. So a lot of outfits that match this color as well. So definitely get these. I think I need these in nude or something, but we'll see, to be determined. Okay, next up we have thigh-high boots. I'm going to try these on so you guys can see what they look like on me. Don't mind the scuff marks. I danced in these for an event, so they're kind of messed up. Not seriously, but kind of. These are baby pink. Again, a lot of pink shoes because I have a lot of pink outfits. These are 10 inches, so not for the faint of heart. Love them. Nice big chunky heel, goes all the way up to the thigh. Okay, so here we have the 10-inch thigh-high boots. So they're similar to the black ones. Same thing with the buckles at the sides. You lace them up. When you first get the boots, they're not laced up. I say it took me maybe 30 minutes to lace up each boot, and I did it on different days because I was so tired lacing them together. It was too much. I think it also came with different colored laces. Maybe not this one, maybe the black ones. But I like these, 10 inches, very nice. nice, very cute, baby pink. I think it goes with my outfit, well, at least my pants. Very fun, very flirty, cute, also very tall, so you want to be careful, and a little bit heavy because 10 inches, you know. Ankle weights. Next, we have another thigh-high boot. These are similar, except these are 8 inches. I know, 10 to 8, big difference. They go all the way up, they lace up, they also zip. I'll also be trying these on so I can show you guys what it looks like. All right, here are the black boots. They're up to like my mid-thigh. Just for reference, I'm 5'2". Yes, I'm super short, but I have long legs. These are nice. Even though I'm also super slim, they zip up really nicely. You can also tie them at the front. So even if you have like a little bit bigger of a thigh, you can just open the laces a little bit more so you have more room. But I like it because you can buckle it at different holes depending on how tight or loose you want it as well. So definitely invest in these if you're looking for some boots. These boots are made for walking. Hey. Also, make sure or try to wear socks with these because it gets very hot. When I say hot, I mean hot and sweaty. So you probably want some nice long socks, thigh highs, to absorb all the sweat, because if you dance in these a little bit too long, it's gonna feel a little bit wet, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, other than that, I love these. I love these for floor work. You don't necessarily need to wear knee pads. It gives you that little extra cushion, especially if you want to climb on the pole, do some tricks. If you want behind the knee grip, you got that. You got the foot grip. These are patent leather, so they're nice and sticky to the pole.